In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download view-only PDF from Google Drive. First, a quick but important note. I won't show you how to bypass or undermine a file owner's restrictions. View-only is a permission set by the owner, and it's there for a reason: copyright, privacy, or organizational policy. Instead, I'll walk you through the right, permission-respecting way to get a downloadable copy, plus what to do if downloading is disabled. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and signing in to the account that was granted access. If you're using multiple accounts, make sure you're on the correct one. Being in the wrong account is a common reason options appear grayed out. Open the PDF from Drive so it loads in the viewer. Look along the top toolbar. If the owner allows it, you'll see an active download button. Click it to save the original file directly to your computer. This is the cleanest option and preserves the file as intended. If that button is missing or disabled, the owner has restricted downloading. When downloading is restricted, use the Request Access or Share button to ask the owner for permission. In your message, be clear about why you need a copy, how you'll use it, and any deadlines. Owners are far more likely to grant access when they understand the context. If you're in a school or company workspace, you may also need an administrator to adjust policies, so check with your IT or instructor if you think the restriction is organizational. If the owner has allowed printing, you'll see an active print icon in the viewer. You can select it and choose your printer. Some owners also permit saving a printable version as a PDF through your system's print dialog. Only use this when printing is allowed. If printing is disabled, don't try workarounds. Respecting the setting protects you and the content owner. A few quick tips. Refresh the file after access is granted. Drive can take a moment to update permissions. If the file is protected by an organization, switching to a managed account may be required. When you only need certain pages, ask the owner to share an excerpt or export specific pages for you. And if you need offline reading, request that the owner share a downloadable copy or provide an alternative format that suits your needs. That's it. Follow the owner's settings, request the access you need, and download only when permission is granted.